Hello YouTube family. Welcome back to the channel. If you've been posting videos but YouTube isn't recommending them, no views, no clicks, no growth, then this video is for you. Stick around because today I'm going to show you exactly why your videos aren't being pushed and 7 proven ways to fix it, starting right now. Let's get into it. 1. Low CTR, poor thumbnails and titles. The first reason YouTube isn't recommending your video is your click-through rate or CTR. If your thumbnails and titles aren't getting clicks, YouTube stops showing them. Fix this. Use bright, emotional faces and bold, readable text. Create curiosity without clickbait. Example, change my daily routine to I followed a millionaire's morning routine for 7 days. 2. Low audience retention. Next is watch time and audience retention. If viewers leave your video in the first 30 seconds, that tells YouTube it's not worth recommending. Fix this. Start with a strong hook. Here's why your videos get 0 views. Cut the fluff. Use fast editing, captions, and energy to keep attention. 3. Weak SEO. YouTube can't understand your content. YouTube is a search engine. If it can't figure out what your video is about, it won't recommend it. Fix this. Use keywords in your title, description, tags, and captions. Example, title, grow YouTube channel with 0 subscribers in 2025. Hashtags, YouTube tips, grow channel. Your video may be getting the wrong audience, people who click and instantly leave. Fix this by knowing your target viewer. Stick to one niche. Don't mix tutorials with vlogs or random content. 5. Inconsistent uploads. YouTube loves consistency. If you disappear for weeks, the algorithm forgets you. Fix this. Post 1 to 2 times per week. Stick to a schedule, e.g. every Wednesday and Sunday. Plan content ahead of time with a content calendar. Is your YouTube channel feeling a bit lonely? Are your videos getting lost in the algorithm void, starved of likes and comments? You're not alone. YouTube thrives on interaction. No comments, no likes. The algorithm sees your video as well, less interesting. So, how do we fix this? First, ask a question. Directly engage your audience. Looking directly at the camera, Anna asks, "What's your biggest struggle on YouTube right now?" Next, pin your comment. Spark that initial discussion. Make it easy for viewers to join in. Finally, reply. In the first 24 hours, engage with every single comment. Show your audience you value their input. Don't let your channel be. Remember, the YouTube algorithm follows the audience. If you make videos people click, watch, and love, YouTube will recommend them. So optimize every part. Your thumbnail, title, That's it for today, YouTube family. I hope this helped you understand why your videos might not be getting recommended, and most importantly, how to fix it. If you learned something new, please give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.